new Nokia 7, elevating every experience. Then we perform noise reduction, adjusted dynamic range, and remove any ghost images. This night mode works seamlessly with the ultra-wide camera too. Next, I would like to invite on the stage an amazing photographer. For me, the key call out here is the portrait mode. We wanted to deliver a true DSLR-like portrait experience with the new Nokia 7. There's a couple of unique things here. First of all, we don't only blur the object on the background. We will also adjust the object on the front, giving you a natural, beautiful bokeh effect. Secondly, most of the solutions out there today only deploy the background blur when it comes to taking a portrait. Now what that means is that you have to choose between a stunning HDR effect or low light performance and the portrait shot. Now where the Nokia 7 is unique is that we combine the best all of this. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet Nokia 800 Tough. Whether you're on the trail or on the construction side, the Nokia 800 Tough can take whatever life throws at you. You can submerge it into water for 30 minutes. You can drop it from 2 meters to concrete floor. It's IP68 rated for dust and water ingress. None of this, of course, is particularly impressive for the most reliable, most durable Nokia phone to date. This is why we didn't only build the Nokia 800 Tough to be consumer grade. We built it and tested it to military standards. Now when I say military standards, I mean specifically the MIL STD 810G standard. Now this standard has 29 test cases, out of which 13 apply for mobile. These include pressure, temperature, rain, salt, humidity, sand, dust, immersion, vibration, and shock. The Nokia 800 Tough passes all 13 test cases. The classic Nokia 2720 Flip is back, this time in 4G. The first thing that you'll notice is that it comes with a big tactile keypad, so you can navigate the menu and press the key with confidence. On the outside, we have a 1.3-inch screen, so you can see notifications and who's calling you before you simply answer the call by flipping it open. Now on the inside, we have a huge 2.8-inch screen. And you can set the font size large, so if you have any visual challenges, you will be able to read the content on the display. The new Nokia 2720 comes with Google Assistant and all of the goodness that comes with the smart OS, including Facebook and WhatsApp. You can even create a hotspot and share your 4G connection.